pointing that thing at me?
Because you're the patient, not me. So we're in the first room. We've done the hospital registration. We've done the paperwork. We saw the nurse. And now we're waiting for Dr. Taylor to come in. And the nurse did say that Dr. Taylor would be able to tell us how progressed this is. So while we're waiting, we thought we'd get a quick video. Rusty's tired because he had lunch a while ago. So, you know, lunch always makes you sleepy. So this is where we're at so far. And it's just a basic, simple room here. And it'll be a different room he goes to, of course. And she said they may even make his mask today. So if they do, and I get to watch that, I'll try to video record it. Okay. Anything to say? Other than you're sleepy? Don't eat lunch before you go to appointments.
Especially when you didn't sleep that good the night before.
Right. You did sleep in the recliner last night. And they did say that his appointments would be the same time Monday through Friday. So that'll be good. It'll just be something we go to every day at the same time. Okay. Later, guys. Okay. So it's been about 45 minutes maybe. They shaved Rusty's face so they could do his mask today, which they've done. They said that hair will get splotchy and fall out anyway, so now he has no beard. And now we're waiting in the chemo office, waiting for a chemo doctor to come in and see what they say. We'll go over in a little bit the news that we did get from the other doctor. Okay, Rusty, anything to say?
Nope, still got nothing.
Okay, people are going to have to let us know if they think he looks younger or older now. I think he looks a lot younger, but I do like the beard, so who knows. Bye, guys. Okay, so it is the next day. We're in the cafeteria right now because I was hungry. And if anybody else is dealing with hospital stuff, our cafeteria here, I got a really huge grilled ham and cheese sandwich and a huge order of fried okra. It was only $5. So don't discard the cafeteria because it might not be bad. Ours isn't. And tomorrow possibly we're going to be doing 6 hours of chemo, so we'll be eating here again tomorrow. But today we are here in a few minutes to check in because he has to get another CAT scan for the radiation doctor for next week to start the radiation. And we went and picked up a ton of prescriptions. Some of them he has to start tonight if he gets to do chemo tomorrow. The chemo is up in the air because they have to wait for authorization from the insurance company. Isn't it a wonderful world we live in when we have to put our health in the hands of the insurance companies? But that's how it is. So, anything else you want to say, honey?
No, not really.
Rusty's having a fairly decent day today, he said earlier anyways, or he was before we went outside. I think the Canadian fires are still affecting the air quality because he does fine inside. It's when he's outside that it seems to get worse. So I'm sorry if the quality of this is bad because we have the, as you can see behind us, we have the huge windows, but there really wasn't any place to do a recording real quick. So, but we did want to start one today and let you guys know what's going on today. Today is now Wednesday. The days are all blending together.
Yes, tomorrow's Thursday.
Yes, today's Wednesday. So, and like I said, I think the only thing we're going to have today is the CAT scan. And then we brought all of his new medication that we picked up this morning with us because it's really confusing on how he's taken some of this. And they gave us a sheet, but both the doctors, the radiation doctor and the chemo doctor, both prescribed the same drug. And one of them says take 5 tonight, and the other one says take 1 every morning. So we don't know if we're taking 1 this morning and 5 tonight. We don't know. So we're going to ask them to go over the drugs with us to make sure that he's getting those correctly. Okay, I think we'll stop here. And if there's anything that I don't think they're going to let me anywhere near the CAT scan with him.
No, it does radiation. It
does radiation, so this may be the only video today that we have unless anything comes out of the other. They did a blood work yesterday so they could do the CAT scan with the dye test, but his kidneys always come back too low to do the dye test, so I imagine he's only going to have just the CAT scan today. It could change, but probably not. Okay, we will talk to you all in a little bit.